Hey guys, you want to know how to know if your alternator is bad or not? I'm gonna give you a simple test here. Go to volts DC. Work with me. All right. Battery post. You could take these off, verify, but I got 12 volts with the car shut down. All right, so 2009 Toyota Highlander, 3.5 liter engine, by the way. All right, so we got that there. Now we're gonna check to see if we have a bad fuse or any problems in between. And the way you can do this is take this lead of your meter off right here. Okay, we're gonna go over here to the alternator itself, which is right down in here. I have removed this little rubber cap that goes over your battery cable. Right, it goes back to your battery on the edge or side of your alternator. It could be behind it. I'm gonna touch this lead to there. I have voltage, okay? I have voltage. To make sure your alternator is not grounded, let's go straight to the block of the alternator. Get a good spot. Make sure you got a nice touch there. All right. You want to make sure you ain't getting anything above 0.2, 0.3. And there you go. We do not have a grounded out alternator or anything else going on in between there. So we know our fuse is good. We know our battery, it's good. And we know that our alternator, well, we're very sure that it's probably shot. But let's check 100%, shall we? Let's fire up this car. We're gonna leave one lead there. I'm gonna fire up the old Toyota Highlander here. I'm just gonna apply the same for any other vehicle. Bear with me. Okay. Come back around here. Might be hard to hear me. Going from there to here, we should be getting even, you ain't even gotta go there. You can test here. There to there. And you should be getting around 13.9 to 14.2, anything like that, coming back to your battery, being charged from your alternator. As you can see, we're not here, but if you want to really check and make sure, you can go from negative there, positive to this side. Careful now, don't shock yourself, okay? We have 11.8 coming off the alternator itself, so there you go. We have a bad alternator. Gonna change this bad boy out, and this one is not easy on this Highlander. Let me kill it because it's straight running off with just a battery right now. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed it, found it useful. Always check those things right there. Those little troubleshooting steps to make sure before you go and spend a lot of money on a alternator. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click on the next one, and if you want to learn more about DIY and little tips and tricks from HVAC to automotive to just about anything you think of, then please do like, subscribe, and share. God bless. Peace out. Later.